Yeah, so 4 p.m. instead, I'm going to sing Nusundoma first and then I have to do the rest. Then a 5. Wait, hold on. You said chain reaction. That's not a chain reaction. No, I'm talking about the chain reaction day by day. What's this? You're being addicted to video right now, huh? Just tell me how many videos are there aside from random stuff, just doing video instead. How many videos are there full of video things? 200? Oh, 200! 200! And not a single set of you doing like this. I make YouTube shorts, but video is my thing. If you insist, then how about your could sing Nusundoma like unlimited? I could sing Nusundoma 4 times per hour. Then what? 4 p.m. Nusundoma, 5 p.m. Nusundoma, 6 p.m. Nusundoma, 7 p.m. Nusundoma, 8 p.m. The prayer, 9 p.m. Time to say goodbye. You don't say. Time to say goodbye was the highest note at the end. The contest. Yes, and instead of the highest note, I'm going to do this like you should do. What else? Rest na naman. The rest, I'm just going to do this one very carefully and sing My Beautiful Soul. Okay, kanta My Beautiful Soul. There is no way that I can say My Beautiful Soul. Then have yourself then. 4 p.m. live stream. My dad doesn't want to do any live streams, My dad doesn't want to. But then how about you can make a video about you singing Nusundoma at once? Why? Okay, how about this? 4 p.m. Nusundoma, right? Then 5, 6, and 7 Nusundoma. What about 8 and 9? Do you want to replace with Nusundoma instead? No. The prayer and time to say goodbye was my favorite. What about they will not stop singing at 9 p.m. They will keep on singing onwards until 12 a.m. What you're going to do? Sing! 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 a.m. until I stop there. 5 a.m. So there ka na makadinner, there ka na makanlunch, there ka na makatulog, It's all about Nusundoma. You want to become an Italian opera singer, then have it your way. Let your voice be with you and with your spirit. Off the side, I'm going to make you hunt you down. By 4, you're going to sing Nusundoma, right? The last note will be at the highest note by far. 7 p.m. highest note by far. Then let's make a deal. What songs do you like to sing most? Well, I'm going to sing Bulong. No, sabi ng buhay. That's not how it works, okay? Wala naman namatay. Part 2